Is this car actually built to last, or does it just feel good when it's new? Most cars today drive smoothly, look modern, and impress during a short test drive. But real durability is something you only discover years later when warranties expire and repair bills start showing up. In this video, we're not talking about screens, speed, or marketing claims. We're talking about engineering decisions, long-term reliability, and whether this car is designed to survive real-world ownership. Welcome to the Car Blueprint, where we break down cars based on how they're built, not how they're sold. What you will learn from this video. By the end of this video, you'll understand what truly makes a car last for 10, 15, or even 20 years. How manufacturers quietly cut costs in areas you never see, which components matter more than brand reputation, and how to judge a car's long-term reliability before you spend your hard-earned money. If you care about ownership costs, dependability, and buying smart instead of buying hype, this breakdown is for you. What built to last really means a car that's built to last is not defined by luxury, technology, or how quiet it feels on day one. It's defined by conservative engineering, mechanical simplicity, and durable materials. Long-lasting cars prioritize proven designs, strong cooling systems, reliable transmissions, and components that can handle years of heat, vibration, and where most failures don't happen early, they appear slowly after 5 or 6 years. And that's exactly where smart engineering either saves you or costs you. Engine design and longevity. The engine is the heart of durability, and engines that last the longest are usually the least stressed. Simple, naturally aspirated engines or mildly tuned turbo engines with proven designs tend to survive far longer than small, high-output engines pushed to their limits. Things like oil capacity, compression ratio, internal cooling, and long-tested architecture matter far more than peak horsepower numbers. A durable engine is designed to operate comfortably every day, not impress on a spec sheet. The importance of the cooling system. Most engines don't fail because of poor performance, they fail because of heat. A car built for long life will have an efficient cooling system with a properly sized radiator, durable hoses, good airflow, and reliable supporting components like water pumps and thermostats. Cost-cutting often shows up here in the form of plastic parts and undersized cooling, and once heat control is compromised, seals, gaskets, and sensors begin to fail one by one. Transmission reliability. Transmissions are one of the most expensive components to repair, and long-lasting cars typically use proven, conservative transmission designs with clear maintenance requirements. Be cautious of transmissions labeled as lifetime filled or overly complex systems that prioritize efficiency over durability. Fluid breaks down, heat accumulates, and transmissions that aren't designed for proper servicing rarely age well. Reliability here depends more on design philosophy than technology level. Build quality and materials. True build quality isn't about soft touch dashboards. It's about what you don't see. Durable cars use high-quality rubber, strong wiring insulation, corrosion protection, and plastics that can survive heat cycles for years. Cost-cutting in these areas leads to cracked hoses, electrical issues, rattles, and fading long before the car should feel old. These problems don't show up in reviews, but they define long-term ownership. Maintenance-friendly design. A car that's built to last is also built to be maintained. Easy access to filters, fluids, and common service points reduces labor costs and encourages proper upkeep. When simple maintenance requires excessive disassembly or special tools, owners delay service, and that's when problems start. Longevity isn't just about strong parts, it's about making regular care realistic and affordable. Marketing promises vs reality. Modern car marketing focuses on innovation, advanced technology, and next-generation features, but reliability is rarely exciting to sell. The most dependable cars are often mechanically simple, slightly conservative, and built using systems that have already proven themselves over millions of kilometers. New technology isn't bad, but unproven technology always carries risk, especially for long-term owners. Real-world ownership evidence. To understand if a car is truly built to last, you have to look beyond influencers and advertisements. High-mileage owners, taxi fleets, delivery vehicles, and independent mechanics reveal the truth about durability. These cars survive constant use, minimal sympathy, and real-world abuse. And they expose which designs hold up and which ones don't. Final verdict: is this car built to last? If a car prioritizes strong engineering, proven mechanical systems, proper heat management, and serviceability over flashy features, then it has a strong chance of lasting a very long time. But if it relies heavily on stressed engines, complex electronics, and cost-cutting hidden beneath modern styling, its long-term reliability becomes uncertain. Longevity is the result of discipline, not design trends. A car built to last doesn't demand attention, it earns trust slowly, year after year. That's the kind of car we focus on here at the Car Blueprint. Because buying a car isn't just about how it feels today, it's about how it treats you for the next decade. If this breakdown helped you think differently, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next car you want us to analyze.